Welcome everyone. I'm Stan CEO. Welcome to this channel. And also, I'm here to guide you on how to complete our tasks, every daily tasks that they give in Hamster and Combat. Right now, we know they have introduced a new task that is all about how you can make sentence with letters, and how to make use of those letters is just to click your dot and dash, all right, to make a sentence from that word. And it's called mouse code. So let me take you in so we can unveil the mouse code mouse code for today. Right, right, it's loading now. Okay, so I'm claiming this coin on front of my screen. All right, how to get your mouse code for today. Today mouse code is called turn. We all know that the listing of this Hamster is on the way, and the wallet they are going to use is called Ton, which is TON, Ton. That's the wallet they have introduced that we're going to use to connect to the Hamster app, so that when they want to list, that is where they will do the payment to. So there are many ways you can accumulate the coin through tapping, just as I'm tapping this from my screen. That is one of the ways you can accumulate the coin. All right. And another way you can accumulate your coin is by your daily is by your daily um tax, where you go daily to claim your coin. You can find that in hand, where you click on hand, and you see there under it. After I click on hand, you found this place they called daily reward. Let me show you. Daily reward. That is where you click. You click on it, it will now open up this page. The day 1 to day 10. Like currently I'm now in day 7, which I've claimed for today, and it's 100k coin. So each day you come, they keep increasing. The 8th will be 500 coin of Hamster. That's one of the ways you can also accumulate the coin. Let's go back. All right. Another way in which you can accumulate the coins is to refer. Like now, under these friends, you can see my friend list. They are not as much, but each time I refer, I get reward from the coin from referring people. All right. So those are the way you can still accumulate their coin. And also, you can accumulate the coin. Now, one of the reasons all these options are here, you can buy their cards. As you are buying the card, it's increasing on your profit per hour. You can see my profit per hour here now is just 272.81k. That is the profit per hour if I'm not online. It will keep miling and waiting for me to claim it. So, and the Hamster is telling us that this profit per hour is more important. That is, they count on this profit per hour. So they want us to be buying card also to increase our profit per hour. That is very important to do it. In which this other one here, this balance here also is not as important the way as this profit per hour is very important. But I will not tell us to just use all your money to buy you to be getting the cash for this profit per hour. Just try and balance the two of them so to be on the safer side also. All right, but you can buy their cards also to increase your profit per hour, because if you are not online, by the time you return to the app again, it have mile and wait for you. So it's one of the reason of this card is just to increase your profit per hour. All right, okay. So mouse code for today is turn. How do we get that? Now we'll go extreme left of your screen. You found n per tap, where they write n per tap. All right, let me show you guys. N per tap. This place that I just ticked is n per tap. That is where we'll click 3 times and this icon will change. Where we tapped, it will change to a red background. And how to make use of the words there is just dots and dash, dot and dash. That is the Morse code. Dash and that, dot and that. How you get your dot? Just a tap. When you just tap it once, it will give you the dot. If you want to get your dash, you hold down for seconds and you lift your finger. That is how you get your dash. And the arrangement of how you put all those dots and dots, it will give you the words for each alphabet. Alright? Alright, we have to do this fast. Alright? So we click on those N per tap 3 times, the icon there. As you can see, the background has changed. Alright? So you can see this place that they write daily Cipher, and also this place you can see the 1 million coin. So it's called daily Cipher to earn your 1 million coin. As I told you earlier that today's word is turn. How do we get turn spelled? We need to tap, and also we need to hold for a second and lift our finger. So to get the letter T, you hold and lift. You can see T has appeared. How you get your letter O? You hold, lift, hold, lift, hold, lift 3 times. Your O has come up. How to get the letter N? You hold, lift and tap. That's simple. As you can see, as said, daily Cipher, the code is cracked. You are a real detective. So after you've gotten this congratulation words, you can see under it, take the prize. Claim it. Don't go back. Just click on that take the prize. So you can see it has added up to my balance up there. So that is how to get the code for the day. So do well to always check every video I dropped so that you can get your own task for the day and the right way to do it to help you easily. All right. So I've gotten mine for today. Also do well to get yours as I drop the video. So after you've done that, you return back to your normal background where you do your tapping to tap out the coin. All right. All right, guys. Have a nice day and also always be in touch. Okay, let me introduce this quickly. Um, they are going to launch they are going to list the coin very soon. As you can see, the extreme end of this place, extreme end where this arrow is pointed to, that yellow bot go there, that gold button there. If you click under it, you see the words there, airdrop tax. Listing is on its way. Tax will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. Airdrop tax. Listing is listing is on its way. Tax will appear below. Complete them to participate in the airdrop. Tax list. Connect your tongue wallet. Coming soon. Ask us to join the their Telegram page. So very soon they are going to list it. So we are to connect the wallet done on this app so that by the time they are listing, they can also send the token to the wallet that you've connected. So I'll do a video on how you can create a wallet and also connect it to this app, to this instant app, so that you will not be left out when they are doing the listing. All right. So just stay in touch. They are going to list it very soon. So this is one of the reasons why we are miling every day so that we will get their token and a better reward. All right. Thanks for watching, and also always be online to know what is on. All right. Good night, everyone.